Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siya Hlazia.
Hey guys, I've been meaning to do this video actually since Friday evening. Ukuthi should I say umntwana? Yeah, Prince though, I guess. Prince Smagat has been fighting this fight. I think it's been 3 years, 4 years. Kakulu last year, 2025 and 2024. He's been fighting King Mrs. Zulu Gazweltin to become a king, Usmagadi. And I remember very well in 2025 when King Mrs. Zulu said, yes, it's crazy how people want to fight me. As it is now. And I didn't choose. You don't choose to be a king. You are born a king, basically. So I don't understand why Princess Magade is fighting with me. These people are brothers. Basically, they have the same father. And they went to court, go pay some respect. They've been going to court. It's just been ugly and crazy. Basically, there's been like segregation and groups in this family. Oguti, no, I'm the rightful king. I mean, that is Princess Magade now saying to his people, you know? It ended up in the constitutional court here. Then what happened was that at the Concord, they made a ruling. They were just like, okay, guys, we can't. And before I come to that, how it happened was that also Princess Magade was just like King Mrs. Zulu was put in as a king. Zoe Angela was put in as a king. Basically, because it's just like he forced himself, King Mrs. Zulu to be a king. And how Usmagade feels is that, Princess Magade feels is that Cyril Ramaphosa, president, is the one that put him there. King Mrs. was just like, no, it doesn't even work like that. Like I'm saying, Mina, I was born a king. I didn't choose and be like, okay, the whole of the Zulu nation, I'm the king. It's not like that. I didn't choose. That's all he said. But he didn't say much. He said it's Kakulu in 2025 and a bit of 2024. Which I did not ask for this. I was told. And I was born a king. I did not force myself to be this person and be like, okay, whatever happens, And then Princess Magade came in and was like, no, actually, I'm the one that's a king. Whatever happens. Oh, they went on, it went to courts, even the man, I don't think it's done. Somehow. I don't know what I thought around it, but I'm just like, you know what? Princess Magade is still gonna go to the courts and be like, no, I'm actually the rightful king. Even in 2024, I remember very well, I even said, guys, King Mrs. Wood, we must start all over again. I remember that video. Actually, I must look for it so that I can put it here. We must start all over again, guys, and have a new king. See, it's like now. It's like you're conditioning yourself now to this new person now, Usmagade. And most people didn't even know about Princess Magade. And then we must start all over and be like, okay, second Princess Magade, okay, we're gonna go with him now. That's what I said. I remember very well. I was just like, guys, it's a lot for the Zulu nation. No, honestly, like it is a lot. Even for the South Africans. Okay, we must. It's like that forced love type of thing. You understand? We must now love Usmagade now as a king. It is the forced. I was just like, I'm not doing it. Can't. Lord. The ruling at Concord on Friday was like, no, Bamchita Usmagade, he can't become a king. Because there's a lot of nitty-gritties there that they have to go through. Which, okay, you became a king, you are actually remaining a prince. These are the reasons. So they told him, no, bro, this is it. Can we move on with the king, the actual king right now? We can't now be like, okay, now we're not suing goes. You know? Yeah, so it didn't end well. It ended in tears. So Princess Magade remains a prince. And then King Mrs. Zulu Kazoltini remains a king. It's just like, guys, these things like, you don't know, even in churches these things they happen. But guliwe like you've never. You saw even with the Shembe. And was it IPHCC now, the other church? Nah, but it was the same thing. Hey, like, oh my gosh. You feel good to Guliwelan, can't we just talk properly? Like sikhulumisane as a family, ukuthi guys, what's going on now? How do you then when I become a king? How do you then when I become a head of the church? Kwenzakala. Guliwa everywhere, guys. Don't get me wrong. Ishem, unga understand ukuthi why. You know? So Mr. Zulu is the reigning king, Inkosi uMr Zulu, kaZwelithini Zulu. For instance, ibuka uShaka waphelelaphi, his own brothers bamjikela. So Masusubu is almost the same thing. This is why history can actually repeat itself. Ukuyibona leyo nto. So ngizoke nje ngime lapho, ngiyibeke nje lakho. I don't even want to go too further ngendaba yokuthi uShaka wajikelwa ubani? His own brothers. Yeah, because nabo babefuna ukuvukela umbuso literally. Uyayibona? So let's just leave it like that. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this channel. Nami nginthanda over.